Okay, what we have today is an unboxing of the DJI OSMO Nano camera. That's that little POV camera that they released, a little while back or whatever. So we got it in for review now. So with no further ado, we're going to jump right into the full, actually probably going to be the quick and dirty, short unboxing here. So here we go. Take it away. DJI OSMO Nano. The latest POV camera from DJI. Actually, kind of somewhat of a successor to the Action 2, which was a little kind of a POV camera that kind of snapped together with like a action pod or module pod. This is the standard combo bundle standard. It's 64 64 gigabyte version. This also comes in a 128 gigabyte version. So that's the internal memory of the camera. You can also add an SD to the module there too. So let's do the quick and dirty unboxing here. So here DJI has these little kind of green pull down, so you should be able to pull this down here, and that should be the key to getting the plastic off of here easily. Now, not really, this doesn't actually. So this doesn't have. Look at this. It's not shrink wrapped in plastic like these products usually are. It's this was just holding the part where the box opens up here. I think it really didn't unseal it there. It didn't pull it. Gonna have to get the knife out. Okay, yes, that epic fail there by the pull tab. Okay, so now we got the side of the box open here. Do my best not to have my hands in the shop, but it's awful hard to do these things without blocking something up. So just the box here. You saw the front of the box. Side of the box has the usual stuff here. 1 over 1/3 inch sensor. Can do 4K up to 60 frames per second, 10-bit color, and lightweight. So some of the features there on the back of the box. The usual tells you what comes in the box. We're going to just show you in a second, so you're just going over all that. And you can download the DJI Mimo app from the App Store or the Android store. Okay, so let's pull this open here. There's a little box of looks like accessories, and here looks like the camera. Here's some paperwork. Here's some stickers, DJI stickers. Here's some more paperwork here. This is anything in here? Just silicone gel. Okay, so we won't need that box anymore. Close that up. There you go. Okay, so let's put this paperwork over here. Let's get to the actual camera itself here first. Oh, look, it magnetically sticks even with the plastic bags. Okay, so let's open up here. Again, hard to do this without getting my hand in the way here. I don't have a top-down shot here, so here we go. Okay, here's the camera module. Has a little piece of tape on the lens here. I've already heard that these lenses are replaceable here, so that's good. Let me aim this camera down a little bit here. There you go. That's a better angle here. So here's the camera all around. Now here's some more tape on the side here. It's a contact and slots may become hot during use. Avoid prolonged contact. Of course, when this first came out, there were a bunch of talk about overheating issues, which all these little cameras always have that issues. There must be the connectors that connected to the kind of the home pod type thing. So okay, so there it is. Your lightweight. There's your on/off button. There's probably some holes up there. Maybe that's your microphone. There's the back. Now, looks like it's a little sticker on here. I don't know. It says something back here. Nano. Okay, Nano. But it looks like little stickers over there. But here's some, legal stuff on the bottom there. So, okay, there it is. And here's the pod part here. Sorry, I have to get this off camera to pull it. Okay. Now here's the home pod. It's got on the back here. Got to pull this off here. Don't use it underwater. This is waterproof, but the pod part's not. So there's a little screen in the back there. Here's your on-off button here. Here's how you connect it up top here. I showed you the pins on the other part. There is the back. There's the bottom. I heard this works with DJI's, magnetic system there, magnetic mounting system. So let's see if we can put that on here without knowing what we're doing here. There we go. So we have it on now with the, the blank faces, so you could, from the back. Oh, look, it has a little battery life right there. It's 60% full. So I think you charge the camera module by hooking in here and charging here, telling you this is 61% full and this is 59% full. So this probably has a USB slot somewhere on here to do the charging. Here we go on the side here. There we go. There's our USB and our USB-C and our memory card slot there. I don't know if I'm focusing this close here, but focusing, we need light and we need focus in here. So there we go. Alrighty, let's see. That's it for the camera. Let's see what comes in a little accessory box here. There's some kind of a, mount here. All right, here's like a little suction cup mount. Stick it on the windshields and anything like that. Oh, stuck on pretty good there. And there's got the magnetic kind of mounting system on the top here. So looks like a decent little mount there. Here's our kind of ubiquitous USB-C, the USB-C cables there. Here's probably another mounting thing here, mounting system. Let's see what's in here. Here is, another mounting system, some sort. Oh, clip-on, like a hat clip. See, so you can clip it on your visor of your hat. Kind of more POV type stuff. And here is. Okay, here is a cage for the camera module with the connectors on the side there, so you can charge without taking out the cage. Even has a, oh no, I thought it would have a glass protector there, but it doesn't. So, protection for the buttons. So yeah, just a little, protective cage here. So that's, oh, we got one more thing. I almost missed it here. One more thing, and here, well, here's the books here that come with it, books, manuals, which I'm not going to open because it's hard to get them back in again. Let's see what we got here. Oh, here's like a, a magnetic pendant that you can, mount the camera on and hang from your neck. So these things are real nice. A lot of these little POV cameras come with these things now. So yeah, that's cool. All right, so there's your kind of quick and dirty unboxing of what comes in the DJI Nano there, the latest POV style camera from the good folks over at DJI. So, okay, end of this part of the video. Okay, folks, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing, the DJI Nano POV type camera from DJI. I'm going to have a full, series of videos coming on it in the near future. I've got almost like the, the first flight video with it, first flight, first use video, with a little Nano, so I'll have that posted soon. Yeah, so again, playing a whole series of stuff on this. Okay, if I didn't say this early in the video, the Nano, I got the 64 gig version of the Osmo Nano, and that retails for $299 on Amazon.com, and they have a 128 gig version, which goes for $329 on Amazon.com. These are not sold by DJI themselves, third-party sellers. Of course, DJI sort of, banned, restricted, whatever the proper word is in the U.S., now this video has been being made on I think the 31st, but the action cameras are more banned by the Uyghur thing, that the Customs Department won't let any DJI products through the border because of the Uyghur issue, and I'm not even getting all that here. So, but you can get this on Amazon.com somehow now, third-party seller. I will put a purchase link down below for the 64 gig and the 128 gig version. And I don't know what combo they call that. I'll put it down below. But that combo, you get everything you saw in this video. The camera, the pod module, the suction cup mount, the hat clip mount, the pendant, the USB-C cable, instructions, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah. And also, if you want to see these featured videos on the Nano, please subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member, and ring that bell so you know when I do put the full review of the Nano out here, which is coming soon. Yeah, so that would be great if you did that. And also, if you got anything out of this video, please give me the thumbs up. But also, it really helps the algorithm if you leave a comment down below as well as give the thumbs up. Helps more people see this video than just my subscribers. So much appreciated there. So I'm going to put post a video up here that I think you may be interested in, somehow related to this video, the best I can. So yeah, so I'm not going to say goodbye here. I'm going to say I'll see you at that video I got posted above. Thanks for watching.